Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. In the headlines today, SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant crosses 92 million tons of crude steel production. Swachhta Pakhwada observed at Shops Department of SAIL RSP. And induction program for trade apprenticeship commences. Now the news in detail. In spite of the pandemic and economic slowdown, SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant Collective, with its sheer grit and determination, has been making records in a row. On 21st March, SAIL RSP crossed 92 million tons of crude steel production. Mr. Deepak Chattara, CEO RSP, has congratulated all the stakeholders of the steel plant on RSP crossing this milestone. It is worth mentioning that RSP is the first integrated steel plant under public sector undertaking to commence production in independent India. Since the very beginning, RSP has functioned with a three-pronged strategy, which is strengthening the nation with the might of steel, supporting the economy and steering progress in the entire region. Rourkela Steel Plant has never been about steel only. The plant has changed the very face of this part of the country by ushering in waves of progress and prosperity that have touched and shaped the lives of millions of people in innumerable ways. The first major industry in the state of Orissa, Rourkela Steel Plant epitomizes the industry's enterprising and innovative spirit of the people of this land. True to the tagline of SAIL, there is a little bit of SAIL in everybody's life. The steel made by RSP is being used in numerous ways, right from making of LPG cylinders and automobile chains to tanks and aircraft carriers, engineering structures to space applications, flooring and staircases to roofing, paneling, electrical equipments to water and oil carrying pipes. A cleanliness campaign was organized at Shops Mechanical of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant on 23rd March to mark the Swachhta Pakhwada observation in the plant. Mr. R.N. Rajendran, CGM Shops, led the drive. Present on the occasion were Mr. S. Narayan, GM Shops Mechanical, Mr. S. C. Sabat, GM Shops Structural and Fabrication, and Mr. S. Mahapatra, GM RSM, the sectional head of different shops unit. Swachhta pledge was administered in Oriya, Hindi and English, which was followed by cleanliness drive. Large number of employees and senior officials of the shops area took part in the cleaning drive organized in front of Shops Mechanical premises. An induction workshop for the 5th batch of trade apprentice in SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant was held at Project Building Safety Training Hall on 20th March. In all, 68 apprentices comprising graduate apprentice, diploma holders and ITI students are held in the March 2021 batch. The programs are being conducted in strict adherence to the COVID-19 guidelines. During the induction program, the trainees are being given an overview of SAIL and RSP safety aspects, gas safety, fire safety and electrical safety, health tips, as well as brief inputs on the entire integrated steel making process starting from raw materials to finished products. Audio visuals will also shown to supplement the sessions. The program was coordinated by Mr. S.K. Shukla, Assistant Manager, HRDC. The first, second and third, fourth batch training comprised 130, 97, 69 and 107 trainees respectively. In the year 2021, in all, 690 students are scheduled to be trained in RSP in 7 different batches. It may be mentioned that under the Honorable Prime Minister's vision of skill development for the youth of the country, HRDC of RSP has undertaken to provide training to students in line with the guidelines laid down by Iron and Steel Sector Skill Council under the Skill India Mission. Apprenticeship training is being imparted to the trainees for 1 year after completion of their graduation, diploma and ITI qualification. That's all for today's news. Namaskar.